This is the rest. We are going to discuss about chapter 6, formatting in HTML. Okay, in this class we will study up to the formatting tags we are discussing up to superscript, sub and subscript tags. I had discussed yesterday already. Today I am going to discuss, I am going to teach strike through the strike tag. Okay, the strike tag, you can see this one. Okay, this tag, strike tag is, it specifies that the enclosed text should be rendered in a strike through the appearance. Usually this is done with a line through the middle of the text. Okay, line through the middle of the text means this is what? Strike alt text strike. That means its output will be like this: alt stock will be strike like this. Okay, in case of, you might have seen in case of shopping sites, Flipkarts, etc. Okay, saying the original price 19,999. okay, and that will be strike like this after 65% off. Okay, original price will be whatever rupees. Okay, when we are doing shopping, right, in the shopping site or etc. So this is what the strike tag is used. Okay, next one is font tag. Actually font tag means what? Font can be changed or font can be used to change the appearance of the text in terms of the size and the color. Okay, in front of the size, color, font color is red, face MS serif and size will be 15, and whatever you enter the here text. Okay, text, because it is time taking, that is why I did not write, but you can write here. Okay, you can write whatever. So that will be size attribute takes the values ranging from 1 to 7. There is also a question 1 to 7. Okay, 1 will be the smallest and 7 will be the largest attribute value, largest. Okay, and font face will be Arial. Arial, you know, Arial, the Times New Roman, the font style. Okay, font style, that is font face. Here is written. And the syntax will be font size 1, font size you can write 1 within inverted quotes. Okay, double quotes, and then font face is MS serif written. You can write Arial as per your need. Okay, then size whatever 5, 10, 12, etc. Next one is break line tags. Actually for break line tags I have not written here the tags. Okay, because already I have mentioned here the why break line tag is used. Break line tags means what? That tag is BR tag. Okay, BR tag, it is used at the end of the sentences or end of the line so that it can break and the another line can start from the here. Okay, so that is why it is used. And break tags, for break tags there is no starting tag, no ending tag, only it is used to break the line. Okay, this is all about, and the whole program is written here. Suppose title using the bold, italic, bold tag. Okay, bold tags, head, this is title, and then body color, background, body background color green will be like this, and the text will be displayed in white on the page. Okay, web page when you browse through the Internet Explorer. Next, H1, features of the click to Excel. Okay, this is heading 1, and the alignment or attributes. Okay, H1 means what? The size. B, latest information. This will be what? Bold. Step by step. Then break line is there. Okay, it will, line will be break here. Then step by step tutorial, again break. Then below that, numerous activities. The 3 lines will be shown there. Okay, next is here italic, Rohan Book Companies. italic N, H2 N. So size will be the H2 size and Rohan Book Companies. Okay, it will be shown on the page in italic manner. Okay, then H2 underline, click to Excel. This line will be underlined in the output like this. Okay, small n, click to Excel. It will be the small letters or small text. Okay, as compared to the appearance of general text, and big one will be the bigger one. Okay, the text will be displayed in the bigger sizes, and this one like this. As what I was telling, this the output of this will be the superscript and subscript will be what? A plus B subscript 2. Output will be A plus B subscript 2, then equal, then A subscript what? 2 plus B subscript B2 plus C subscript, no subscript, plus sign is there, then 2AB. This will be the output. Okay, and for subscript 2H is there, H2, 2H, output will be 2H, then plus is there, O, okay, O is equal to what? Is equal to there 2H, then subscript 2, then subscript 2, then plus sign will be here, okay, here, plus, then O, sorry, not plus is here, 2H2O, okay, 2H plus O2 subscript